got to learn how to ride a horse for Mary Queen of Scots, and my horse is also Wonder Woman's horse. He is the biggest diva I've ever met in my life. His name's Prince, and Prince doesn't do anything for anyone, especially me. So I'd be on the horse and I'd be like, come on, Prince, let's go. And I'm trying to be all sort of queen-like, and he'd just look at me and he'd go, I'm not ready to go yet. He'd go from being like really, really cocky to getting really nervous. And he did this thing before we would go into a take if he was feeling a bit anxious about it, where he'd cough. So Prince had this like nervous cough that you'd hear right before we do a take. So they'd be like, okay, and rolling. And it would be my horse.